Well, I gotta tell you, I drove in a friggin' blizzard and the Jeep was bouncing all over the place because of the wind. Call me crazy. But the snow was nice. It wasn't sticky at all. I put a little bit of paraffin. I was great. It should be really nice tomorrow, frankly. But the wind was 50-kilometer winds, and I got scared that maybe there would be bears out or something. I was all by myself. It got a little frightening, so I didn't do much. But anyway, it was actually quite nice. If it wasn't for the wind, I certainly liked it. Yeah, it would have been good. I would have done the whole three if I wasn't so scared. Okay, well, I guess you're all staying in today, but not me. I won't be able to do much. It's very sticky, it's blowing, pretty miserable actually, but we got lots of snow. It's never nice. I did put a little bit of paraffin wax, so I'm not sticking. When I stick, I'll take them off and walk back. I don't care. But nice fresh air. I don't know how much they got.